We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. This video is proudly brought to you by Fezile Security Services. Kinali Ntate Mtaka Mamelodi Sundowns. What is also? Utlele di soso ka jeno ntate.
You know, South African football is going to kill you.
Yeah.
And you bolayaga the problem in the our South African referee.
Yes.
Essence by itute hore ba build a legacy.
Yeah.
Legacy it's a mile on flop.
Yes.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
How bona a referee wa mo Somalia ilo coach a Super Cup.
Yeah.
I mean ilo Reva Super Cup.
Overseas.
But South African football is the best league in the continent.
Yeah.
And now only referee mo South Africa e ka sala ka bona refa final ya Champions League or the Africa Cup of Nations. I don't know if I'm right or wrong.
No, you are right. You are right.
So you can see how babola career because
Yes.
to build what do you call it your legacy.
Yes.
It can help you or like have hira
Yes.
after the retirement.
Yes.
Waba assistant referees tsamo kef tse ba nominated.
Yeah.
So now you go refer with the envelope. Jerry.
What's up?
Jerry. Aye.
What's up?
Jerry or man. Jerry man di man referee.
My boy, my boy.
Lira referee.
Yeah.
Ke man litso la gae.
Akimutsini.
Aye.
What's up?
Aye, you know, there's a lot of foul things that happen in
Yes.
this game.
Yeah.
And then I was not happy because of was not giving us the chance.
Yes.
Abanika abanye abantu.
Yeah.
Then I don't know, after they score the goal,
Press.
after they score the goal, it start to make the game to be easy for both of us.
Yeah.
Utinabo, like now I can say yellow card to Lamtutu.
Uyawalinganisa
Yeah, because of there's a goal.
Yeah.
But one thing about my coach tried to change
Yes.
earlier,
Yes.
not take long to
Yeah.
change.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll tell you, it's the first time in Kulmangalento.
Yeah.
Even now, I'm still talking.
Yeah.
Mangbona Mamelodi Sundowns assigner Ndlovu. Okay, Ndlovu was playing in Golden Arrows.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's telling you when you play with the big sharks, you become a big shark also.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
He was a tilapia
Yeah.
in Arrows.
Lamontville, yes.
He was a tilapia.
Yeah.
Now you see he's swimming with big shark.
Yes.
No, that boy, no, he's a super.
It's good.
More than.
That boy is better than good.
It's not done. It's not about Sundowns. It's about the
player.
No, it's about the country itself.
Yes. Yes.
No,
He's gonna play in Bafana Bafana.
no, that one is not like we're going to write a letter.
Yeah.
Even Coach Pizzo can see.
Yes.
Azanga Gaba so excited.
Ka player.
Let's come. Mfana
Udlala lo mfana.
325 IS.
Yeah.
Gusheshe.
Yeah.
I like Gusheshe.
Ispina la.
Wena le mitse le re Gusheshe o motor de la sauce. But
Yeah.
ba KZN ngiyabonga ngolo bathi uSiyanda Ndlovu.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Wena usate uSiyanda from the coaching side now ngiyabonga ngazi ukuthi igama lakho ngiyabonga baba.
Yeah.
Ukuthi you are done a good job for the South African football.
Yes.
Uyabona no jersey number 70 will cost.
Yeah.
You are scoring.
Ubilangele phili.
No, it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. I'm not lying. It's good. Very good.
Very good.
But you see, the future of South Africa is bright.
Bright.
But if we are doing the right thing,
Yes.
we'll conquer.
We'll
But
conquer.
now, I'm happy because of Kaizer Chiefs won,
Yes.
as we never won.
Yeah.
They won about the game.
Yes. Yes.
You got my
True,
point?
true. They're
Yeah,
playing
because-
against the African champions.
No, the number one ranking, not African champions only.
Yes.
It's the number one ranking.
Yes.
They are the number one in South Africa.
Yeah. Number one in Africa.
No. Lamtutu is number one in South Africa. As we are number one in the yes, with
Yeah.
Visa, which is a big team in South Africa.
Yes. Yes. But in the continent.
No, yeah,
Mamelodi Sundowns.
I don't want to be big in South Africa. I
Yeah.
just want to be.
Want to dominate the world.
There's a pass and distinction.
Yeah.
When you become number one,
You passed.
No. When you become number one, which means you pass by distinction.
Yes.
So I cannot be number one in CAF Champions League. You say I pass.
No.
In my institution,
You pass with distinction.
Is the institution of distinction, Baba.
Yeah.
In the Mauritian Sundowns. What are you like to?
Yeah,
I'm telling you. Taraza de la Sauce. Thanks for our channel with my brother.
Yes.
Yeah.
We talk football SA.
We talk football SA.
Yeah.
Comment and share and like.
Siyabonga baba.